Hi there, beautiful. Thank you so very much for watching beautiful braiding cornrows with unique extensions to try today. Find some latest braiding cornrows with weave hairstyle ideas, lovely and amazing style trends to give you a unique look and great finishing. You can definitely see how well designed most of these hairstyles are, and these are hairstyles you can absolutely rock, especially this season. Find great ideas just within our channel because we are all about presenting very new, latest and amazing braiding hairstyle ideas to give you a unique and amazing look, notwithstanding how we do it, but we will definitely bring for you the most beautiful and amazing gorgeous styles out there that we can find. Every other weekend we have great hairstylists turning up with creative inspiration when it comes to braids look, and it's our duty to bring it to your doorstep via your phone or mobile or whatever devices you're using. So we hope that we have been helpful. Almost we are towards the end of the year. We are heading towards 2025, and we have tried as much as possible to bring forward the most beautiful and amazing hairstyle looks we can find when it comes to using braiding the extension, and we hope we have definitely turned up for you. So if you want to see more ideas like these coming from us, you can definitely let us know in the comment section. Do well to share the video with friends and family. Keep coming back for more. Let us know how you feel about all these amazing and wonderful hairstyles that we have for you. The channel is changing. We are heading towards making videos for all women, all color. It's not going to be limited to just black women anymore. We'll be making videos for all women when it comes to the braiding hairstyle looks, because why not? We're all using hair extensions, so we definitely want to get great ideas as well to let us know how we will look or turn out with whatever style of braids we're going for. So it's our duty to bring forward, no matter the skin color you are, you're sure to find lovely and amazing styles from us going forward. Thank you so very much for watching. We hope you get great inspiration. Keep coming back for more. You take care and bye.